This is basically, first, don't be afraid of failures, because it does happen to everyone, even though sometimes in social media times it doesn't seem like it, because everyone seems to be completely perfect in what they are doing. But this is just not the real life. Yeah, hi, my name is Dr. Martin Baxmann. I'm an orthodontist from Germany, and I'm lecturing on this Dental World Congress for all the orthodontic students and dentists interested in orthodontics. The first lecture of the two that I gave was especially important because it was about failures in orthodontics. And this is something people not really like to talk about, because usually you try to hide it and show what you do best and not what you can't do. But from a learning perspective, it's super important to look at what did you actually do wrong sometimes and how you can improve it, so from the failure you can get back to success in the end. Oh, that's a very important question to ask, what you can take home from such a lecture. This is basically, first, don't be afraid of failures, because it does happen to everyone, even though sometimes in social media times it doesn't seem like it, because everyone seems to be completely perfect in what they are doing. But this is just not the real life. So don't be afraid of it, number one. Number two, look at it carefully and learn from it. Don't make the same mistakes time and time again just because you're thinking it has to be like that. Learn from your failures, go back and look at your old cases and be critical with yourself, but not too critical that you get depressed, but as critical enough that you want to improve. So the second lecture was about mini implants in orthodontics, giving an update. This is a technique that's now around for more than 20 years, but interestingly, the same topics come up again. The same topics come up again in circles. Like, we tend not to learn too much from history, so we need to have a good overview over the whole topic to make sure everyone knows what happened in the last 20 years, to be aware of what's really new right now, what we should focus on right now. So in a nutshell, actually is everyone can do mini implants. There are some basics you need to know. There are certain applications for that, which are standard applications, and yeah, just do it and improve again. Yeah, to be honest, I enjoyed it a lot to be here as a lecturer, and when I talk to all the people here, I can just only assume that it must be super good to be here, not only as a lecturer but also as someone listening to the lectures. Because when I look at the people here, and I'm not talking about myself, but about the others, they're fantastic speakers here. It's definitely worth it being here. There's some courses surrounding all the main lectures as well. And when I look at 2025, who's all on the schedule there, so they are brilliant lecturers, so it's definitely worth coming here.